What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? At 71 is magnet is held for now. It's still not a clear-cut indication we're going to take out the high, but my feeling sure look like that's something they would love to do. For now, it's been respecting obviously the highs, but said all day long, I thought a good possibility was by end of day we could knock out this high, just as a, I don't know, a move that would be similar to the one they did at the low of the day. Just to be difficult and challenging. So anybody, if you're playing the long side, we said this 71 magnet might be supportive. If so, the next fighting box and then the third box. So now just take this and move this up, right? And this becomes the next box that we're trying to get through, and obviously everything slides up one. So I said earlier, plenty of time for the boys to do their nonsense, and this looks to me like they're finally going to do it end of day, just to run stops. And we said if they do, it could be anywhere from a point or two, but I wouldn't think of this as a gung-ho trade long side. So anybody that is in the trade, just trying to, this to me looked like a bull flag. And then obviously 2:30ish, the market finally found its footing at the magnet and is pushing up, trying to test one more time the highs of the day. And I think the breakout's back here at 75. So I think we will knock those out. What can I say? Once you see these guys in action a few times, you just try to get a feel for it. And I said over and under, we could certainly do, but it would make sense if the boys took out both ends of the day's range. And that's what they've done with this trade. Hard to believe. People won't believe you. They say, you have no clue. But you know what? If you watch these guys for a few times, you get the feeling as to how they play. Just to squeeze and knock out the stops. And we'd said that 78 and a quarter would be a key, right? From yesterday. So anybody into 77 to 78 and a quarter paid for sure. And this is a great smoke 'em beginning of the month bias, and then everybody's thinking short side, and that comes out the top. Very, very, very orchestrated move. And they can pin it on the new Fed chair or whoever they want, but this was telegraphed. We saw this. 78 and a quarter is the potential target, and anybody gets 77 to 78 and a quarter, good fortune above. We talked about that much earlier today.